Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to block orders from high fraud regions. Some orders look normal until they turn into chargebacks that drain your revenue every month. Not all regions carry the same risk, but your store treats them the same. With one simple rule, you can block orders from high fraud regions instantly. Customers from those locations won't be able to place risky orders. This means fewer disputes, fewer losses, and less manual review, and using this approach save up to $3,000 in monthly chargebacks. So, block high-risk regions and protect your revenue. Let's see how to block specific regions step-by-step guide. First of all, please make sure the fraud prevention plugin is activated on your site. Then, go in the admin header and here in the blacklist setting menu item. In the basic configuration setting, please make sure this place order option is enabled to block the customer on the checkout page. Then scroll down up to the country over here. In the blocked countries, here you can add the list of countries like currently I have added Bhutan, China, Indonesia, Japan, and Malaysia. So these are the countries which will be blocked. And after that, in the last, you can make sure to save the setting over here. Now let's go on the front side. Here in the shop page, let me add this product to the cart. Let's go to the checkout by clicking this checkout button. On the checkout page, you can see I have already added the one blocked country, Japan, and its details. So, let me try to place an order. Enable the CAPTCHA first here. Now, click Place an Order button here. So you can see we are not shipping this product in this country. So, this is the main error we have received because this country is blocked. So now, let me change the country, which is allowed like United States. Based on that, I am changing the shipping address. And after filling all the correct details, enabling CAPTCHA, let me try to place an order again by click here. Processing the order. So, you can see order is successfully placed because the country and the billing address is selected to United States, which is not added in the block list. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to see related videos.